everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable auto formatting, spell correct, list creation, link creation, and other related settings within Google Docs. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Tools tab, and then go down and select Preferences. So at this point, you can go ahead and modify all the settings that I suggested in the title and in the intro of this video. And then once you've made your selections, you just would select OK to save those respective changes. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.